Aboat Entertainment is connecting the Web3 blockchain space with online entertainment products. This is to make the Web3 more accessible to the mainstream while giving creators and consumers new ways of monetization in a fun and safe environment. The entry barriers for promoting own content are very high for newcomers. It requires either a deep understanding of the market, vitamin B, or you must be prominent. Despite the pressure on one's finances, it's hard to get the required visibility and feedback that creators need to grow. The following demo showcases some of our current features to incentivize the listening and feedback of podcasts, like our task system and the creator ranking system. We just showed our alpha app with first features to help solving the promotional difficulties for new creators. Next up comes a showcase of features that helps to solve monetization and Web3 accessibility problems. For monetization, we have two core systems. Our reward system, which is tightly connected to the staking-based subscription model, and the NFT marketplace to allow users and creators to trade different rights for content. As for Web3 accessibility, we designed a fiat-less onboarding and incentivized exploration of Web3 features. To showcase these features, we are going to take a tour through our website. Thank you for watching our demo, and let's talk about soon.